Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about both Nifty and Bank Nifty's daily analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here and if you didn't subscribe to my channel till now, kindly do subscribe to my channel. But before that, kindly do watch my earlier videos, and if you like those videos, then definitely do like those videos as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest video updates. So first of all, we'll discuss about the Nifty 50's past analysis performance. So in today's session, market made a high of 17,211 and it made a low of 16,938. And if we see these levels, so this 17,211 level is way far above than this our extreme target in the Nifty 50, and the 16,938 level is lower than our daily target on the downside. So in the upper side, the market has tested our extreme target, and in the lower side, the market has tested our daily target. So overall, if we see in today's session, market has given more than 300 points profit, more than 300 points fall in today's session. And if we take an early entry point, then we can book good profits in today's session. So most probably we can hardly book profits like 100 to 150 points in today's session, because in the first one third of the day, we were thinking that market can go up once again after closing the gap, but the market couldn't go up, and it tried to, even though the market tried to go up, but the market couldn't sustain above the higher levels. So again, once again, the market tried to fall, and it eventually ended up in the by hitting this downside daily target in today's session. So this is about the past analysis performance of Nifty 50. So now let's discuss about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So this is the daily time frame of Nifty 50, and if we see the chart of this Nifty 50, so the market, as of now, the market has taken 3-section fall, and currently it is aiming to fall for the 4th time, and it is trying to make a lower high as of now, lower low as of now. So if the market falls further low, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,750, and this will be the final target for this fall, and most probably market will take a halt at this 16,750. So this will be the 4-section market, and from there the market will take support, and again we can expect a good rally in the market, and we can expect a further rally up to the 17,680 or 17,800 levels in the upcoming days. So, and if we see the previous chart also, like this is the left shoulder and this is the head, and I'm expecting to form a right shoulder. So as of now, the market is very much close to form a head pattern, like a head formation, and it is very close to the neckline. So once the market takes support at this neckline, then we can expect the market to form this right shoulder right shoulder. Once the market completes this right shoulder, then we can wait for the breakout of this Nifty 50 that is below this neckline. Then we can take good short positions in the Nifty 50, and we can expect a decent fall in the Nifty 50, that is approximately 2000 1500 to 2000 points on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis on the higher time frame. And if we change this chart to lower time frame, that is hourly time frame, so as of now, as of today, the market is closing at this 16,973, and it has formed a hammer pattern. And if we see this level, the market is trying to move upside from this level. So if we see, so this hammer pattern indicates that there is a bullish sentiment over here. So initially market can go upside. If the market goes upside based on this hammer candlestick pattern, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,062, and the market is just hardly 30 points below this 70,000 level, and tomorrow is an expiry. Suppose if tomorrow is not an expiry and it is like Monday or Tuesday session, then we can expect a good fall in the market in the Nifty 50. But as tomorrow is an expiry day, we can expect a good rally up to the 70,062, and from there we can expect again the fall in the market. Why? Because most of the call rating and put rating can be taken aggressively at the 70,000 level. Then they will definitely try to push the market above the 70,000 level, and they will try to book profits as and when the market comes to this 70,000 level. And once they book the profits and once they come out of the market, again they will taking the new positions after the post lunch, that is 1:30 or 2 o'clock. Then we can expect a good fall in the market after post lunch, I mean at the time of post lunch, that is 1:30 to 2 o'clock. So till then the market can go up, and again the market can come down, or if or else the market can go sideways up to the 1:30 or 2 o'clock, or at least till the lunch period. So this is about the technical analysis for the Nifty 50, and coming to the downside, we can expect a fall up to the 16,750 levels, and on the upper side, we can expect a rally up to the 7,062. And coming to my trade setup for today's session, so I will explain this in the Nifty futures. I have drawn this thing in the Nifty futures itself directly. So in today's session, the market has opened gap up opening, and from there market tried to come down and have drawn a trend line connecting this previous two highs. And if we see that the first time the market made a high over here, and second time the market made a high over here, and third time even the market tried to come up to this level. But if you see the volume over here at the exactly at the lowest point, see this is the volume of this particular candle. There was a huge buying sentiment at this lower low, and I thought market can eventually break this level, but the market took this level as a resistance point, and market again made a lower low over here. And if we compare this lower low, exactly this lower low was formed uh, at the previous this lower low. Actually we need to call this as an higher low. So this higher low was formed exactly at the lower low of the previous fall. So I thought the market can go up eventually, and I have bought few call options over here, and I kept my target as this level, that is 70,225 levels, as my initial target. So according to my analysis and according to my expectations, market eventually went up to the 70,225 level, and market actually I have booked partial profits over here, and again I was expecting market to take a correction, and again market to go up up to this level, that is 70,000 261 levels, so that I can book decent profits in the call option. And so when the market came downside, I was expecting the market to form a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this is our left shoulder, and this is an head pattern, and again this is the right shoulder. So I was expecting the market to form this right shoulder pattern, but when the market came down again, when the market went up, this previous this neckline, the market took this neckline as a resistance area, and again market turned around from this level only, and eventually market tried to come down. So when the market again took this level as a resistance point, I thought market may not go above this level, and the market is trying to come down continuously, and I booked my complete profits, and I came out of the market once the market is coming down. So this is like about talking about my call options. So I have taken another positions in the Nifty 50. So you can see here two lines, that is support and resistance, and they are marked in green lines. So if I change this chart to 50 minutes time frame, you can see a doji kind of candle. So once the market closed above this trend line, followed by this breakout candle, there was a doji candle, and I marked a like support and resistance lines for this doji candle, and I was waiting for the market to close above this line or below this line. So if we see in the next candle itself, the market closed below this support line, and I immediately took entry point, that is short positions in this candle, and I kept my stop loss above this 70,226 level, and I was trailing my stop loss when the market goes down. And on the downside, I kept my target as the like today's downside daily target, and today's downside extreme target. So eventually market went to our downside daily target, and I booked profits completely over there. And if we see at the time of my positions taking, like I entered in the market at 12 o'clock, and it's hardly trading around like 108 at 109, and my stop loss was like 94, and hardly like 10 to 15 points of stop loss. And if we see, and we can see the rally over here, but my target was up to this level, that is 173 or 174 levels, and eventually market went up to this 174 levels, and I completely booked my profits in the 70,050 levels over here. So I didn't wait for the market to go up to these levels. So this is about the trade setup for Nifty 50 in today's session. So, and let's discuss about the individual levels for tomorrow's session. So in today's session, the market closed at 16,972, and from here, if the market is trying to move up, the 16,991 level will be acting as an important resistance point, and if the market is trying to come down, the 16,953 levels will be acting as an important support point, and these two levels will be acting as a central zone. And if the market closes above this level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,052, and this will be our daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 70,133, and this will be our extreme target on the upside. And if the market closes below this level, and the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,893, and this will be a daily target on the downside. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 16,815, and this will be our extreme target on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis of the Nifty 50, and I hope you have liked this video till now, and I hope you have found this information useful. So if you found this information useful, then kindly do like to my video. And now let's discuss about the past analysis performance of Bank Nifty. So in today's session, Bank Nifty made a high of 39,914 and it made a low of 38,934. And if we see these levels, so the extreme point, the highest point has crossed above this extreme point, and in the this downside lowest point has crossed below the downside extreme target also. So both the extreme targets in the Bank Nifty has been hit in today's session, and it has given fall like more than 1000 points in today's session, and the Bank Nifty has given good profits in today's session. So this is about the past analysis of Bank Nifty, because there is nothing much to discuss in the Bank Nifty in today's session, because it's a clear-cut gap up opening, and from the market completely retraced downside, and it was completely like profit booking and followed by a huge selling pressure in the Bank Nifty. So now let's discuss about the Bank Nifty's technical analysis. So let's change this chart to Bank Nifty, and let's change this chart to higher time frame, that is daily time frame, and again from there we'll come down to hourly time frame. So even in the Bank Nifty's daily time frame chart, so the market made a lower higher low over here, and from there market has given a good rally, and from there again market made a higher low, and actually from here, that is 13,624 levels, market has to continue its rally, and once the market closes above this 42,189 levels, but the market couldn't close above this trend line, but the market took this resistance line as an trend line as a resistance line, and from there eventually market came down, and since then market is moving in the sideways channel only, that is parallel channel only. So eventually the market closed below this support line in today's session. So actually I was expecting the market to close yesterday's session only, but in yesterday's session market, even though went downside, again it came up and again it closed in this parallel channel only, and in today's session the market closed below this support line. So in today's session, when the market closed below this support line, and I immediately jumped and I took the short positions in the Bank Nifty, because I was waiting for the market to close below this trend line since a long time. So my target from this levels will be like 13,200 or 13,300 levels on the downside. So I'm expecting the Bank Nifty to fall up to these levels, and I'm carry forwarding these levels also, and I will explain how I'm going to modify these levels if the market doesn't go up to these levels, or market comes down, and again if the market goes up. So for the Bank Nifty, the first target will be like 38,400 or 38,500 levels, and the second target will be like 38,243 levels, and the final target will be like 13,200 levels on the downside. But if in case the market comes up, so I will be explaining the lower time frame so that you can easily understand in the lower time frame. So the market has formed a doji candle in the lower time frame, and if the market comes up, then this bearish candle's highest point, that is 39,340 levels, will be acting as a resistance point. So the market comes up and it will take the resistance point of this level, and again market can go down from these levels. And once the market goes down, then already I have explained the targets on the downside, so those levels will be acting as an important support points for the Bank Nifty. And I have already explained my trade setup, because once the market closes below this support line, I was expecting to jump in and to take short positions in the market. So in today's session, market closed below the support line, and again I entered into the market and I have built my short positions in today's session. So this is about the Bank Nifty's technical analysis and my trade setup. So we'll discuss about the individual levels of Bank Nifty. So in today's session, market has closed at 39,051 levels, and if the market goes up, this 39,106 levels will be acting as an important resistance point, and if the market comes down, this 39,000 levels will be acting as an important support point. So market can range between these levels, that is 13,100 and 39,000 levels, and this level will be acting as a central zone. So this is an important support point. The market has to sustain below this level, then only we can expect a fall up to this 38,836. But before that, the market has to sustain below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, and we can consider this level as a downside daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 38,621, and this will be our extreme target on the downside. If the market closes above this level and the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 39,286, and this will be our daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, and we can expect a further rally up to this 39,521, and this will be our extreme target on the upside. So this is about the technical analysis, individual level analysis, and past analysis performance, and at the same time my trade setup for both in Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So I hope you have liked this video, and you have found this video useful and informative. So don't forget to like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or any queries, then you can directly ask me through the comment section or using any other social media platforms, and I will be very much glad to clarify your doubts as soon as possible. So let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye. Jai Hind.